This is just a quick unboxing of the HomeScreen wireless router. You see it pictured there. On the side here you see just some specs that it has. On the back, all the different features are listed. And on this side you got your technical support as well as some other information. And then on the bottom, just a reminder of why you would buy this router. Network setup has never been so easy. Run the setup wizard and it tells you how it works. Just open it up here, and you have some manuals and instructions. Thank you for your purchase, register, etc., etc. And then this is the router itself. Very fairly small. You can see you've got two ports here, 3 total, and a USB port, reset button, and it's about fits in the palm of your hand. Just so we see what else is in there. You get an Ethernet cord to use, and then a bracket, probably to either stand it or to mount it, and then your power cord. So that is what comes in the box with the HomeScreen router. You can see how easy it is to, if you want to change the password or change the name of your wireless. Really simple. You can also change the channel. If you click that, you can easily change the channel. So if you use an app on your phone to sort of check and see what channels are the best for your router, it'll automatically try to choose the best channel. But if you want to check yourself using an app, you can do that on your phone or tablet easy enough, and then you can manually change the channel really easily just right there. And then you also have the same thing with the 5G. You can change the network name or you can change the password, which is easy to do and really cool. Go ahead and make that the same as it was. And you can set up a guest network. Really easy if you want to enable a guest network for guests to log on to. That'll be separate from your home network, so that people who log on to that wouldn't be able to access other devices on the network. So if you have a lot of guests and you are concerned about that, you can do that. Set up your security settings. You can change the type of security you're using. Again, like everything in this, it's so easy to do because it's all right here in the router itself. You don't have to log on to some separate screen or anything like that. If you want to use it as a range extender, you just tap that and you set it up as a range extender. Also very easy. And the wizard, of course, I've shown you before. And there are other settings. If you want to go into settings, you can check for updates, which is great. You can change your screen settings, the timeout, and stuff like that. You can create a PIN so that no one else could access this except for someone who has the PIN, which is kind of cool. And there's a system log that tells you what's going on with your router. And you do have different things like statistics and filters and users and things you can set up that are great. You have your wireless WAN. And the home screen, it can be used to extend the range of your existing wireless network. So that's another way that you can use it that way. And connected home. Now connected home, that's for certain devices, certain types of devices you can use, and it is in beta, but they are, with more and more updates, they're going to take it out of beta, and you'll be able to use this device to also control certain types of home automation products, which is pretty awesome. And you have device join, where you can add a sensor. Again, has to do with home automation. So you can add a sensor to that. And then you have a home screen account, which I haven't set up, but you can set up a home screen account so that you actually have an account with them, which can be used to just enhance the what you can do with the home screen router. You don't have to set up an account. You can just set up the router through the wizard, and you don't ever have to open an account with them. The router will work exactly as it's supposed to, but you can set up an account with them to get additional help and information, and more information about updates and things like that. There's also diagnostics. There's weather. That's if you want to display the weather on the screen instead of just timeout. You can have it. You can have it do that. You can have it do time. So set the time of day based on where you are. You can check change the settings and set to correct the time if you need to. And then here on the last screen, My Flare Photos. If you sign up for that, you can have it so that this little screen will display photos from that account. So it'll sort of operate as a little photo viewer when you're not using the screen, which is going to be most of the time. So that's kind of a cool little added feature. And then you can also set up a few other things that do not disturb in the device priority. But overall, as you can see, really simple to use, to get into, to do different things inside of the home screen, just using the home screen, which is what makes this router so awesome.